Hello, grateful. How are you? I hope you are okay. Today, we will talk about operations on decimals. Operations, we will talk about addition, subtraction, and division. Okay? Now, we will start with addition. First, adding decimal numbers and mixed numbers. If you take 2 pounds and half from your father and 3 pounds and a quarter from your mother, then how much money do you have? 2 and half and 3 and quarter. You know that half a pound equal 50 piasters and quarter a pound equal 25 piasters. What you took from your father equal 2.5 pounds means 2 pounds and 50 piasters, okay? And from your mother equal 3.25 pounds means 3 pounds and 25 piasters. The sum of what you have equal 2.50 plus 3.25 equal 5.75 pounds. Now we will learn how to adding decimal numbers. Note that we put digit 0. Okay? The number is 2.5 plus 3.25. Okay? To solve adding problem, we need to balance decimal numbers. So we put digit 0 to the right of digit 5. Okay? On the right of digit 5, put 0. To equal the number of digits after decimal. Now, in decimal part, there is 2 digits, and the decimal part, there is 2 digits. Okay? Then we add the hundredths parts first. In adding, begin with the digit in the right side. Okay? In the right side, the digit in hundredth place. So we will begin with hundredths parts first, and then tenth parts, okay, and then the whole number. We can carry out the addition operation by another method as follow. 2.5 plus 3.25 equal. We can convert the decimal numbers to mixed number, okay? 2.5 equal 2 and 5 over 10 plus 3.25 equal 3 and 25 over 100 equal. To adding, you must have common denominator, okay? So the common denominator will be 100. 2 and 5 over 10 equal 2 and 50 over 100 plus 3 and 25 over 100 equal 2 plus 3 equal 5. 50 plus 25 equals 75 over 100 equal 5.75 pounds. Okay? Now we will solve this drill together. Okay? Make the following mixed numbers have the same number of digits after the decimal point as the example. 18.7, 5.06, 34.258. The required put zeros to balance decimal part. Solution, the numbers are 18.700, 5.060, 34.258. Now we will solve another one together. 14, 0.8, 15.973. We need to put zeros to balance decimal part. Like this. 14.3 zeros, 0.800, 15.973. Now we will solve examples to understand addition operation. Okay? There are two ways for addition: the horizontal way and the vertical way. Now we will start with horizontal way. This is horizontal way. We can adding decimal numbers in horizontal way. The first example for you, 23.4 plus 7.8 equal. In adding, we will start at the right side. Okay? Observe the two numbers has tenths in decimal part. So we will begin with tenths part. 4 plus 8 equal 12. Write 2, carry up 1. Please don't forget put decimal point. Okay? Now 1 plus 3 equal 4. Plus 7 equal 11. Write 1 and carry up 1 on the next place. Okay? 1 plus 2 equal 3. There is no digit here, so we will put 3. The answer is 31.2. Another example for you. 18.75 plus 4.2 equal. Before adding, we need to look at the decimal part. In decimal part, there is 2 digits here, but only in the second number, the decimal part, we have only 1 digit. So we need put 0 to balance decimal numbers. 18.75 plus 4.20. Now begin adding from the right side. Begin with hundreds. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 7 plus 2 equal 9. Please put decimal point. 8 plus 4 equal 12. Write 2, carry up 1 on the next place. Okay? 1 plus 1 equal 2. There is no digit here, so put 2. The answer is 22.95. The third example for you. 365.8 plus 82.14 plus 1.237. Before adding, we need to check if the decimal part are balanced or not. The first number has 1 digit in decimal part. The second number has 2 digits in decimal part. The third number has 3 digits in decimal part. Okay, so we need to put zeros to balance decimal numbers like this: 365.800 plus 82.140 plus 1.237 equal. Now we can add. Please start with the digit on the right side. Begin with thousands in decimal part. 0 plus 0 plus 7 equals 7. 0 plus 4 plus 3 equals 7. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Plus 2 equals 11. Write 1 and carry up 1 on the next place. Please don't forget, write decimal point. Now we will adding the whole numbers, okay? 1 plus 5 equal 6. Plus 2 equal 8. Plus 1 equal 9. So we will write 9 in the whole part. 6 plus 8 equal 14. There is no digit here, so we will write 4 and carry up 1 on the next place. 1 plus 3 equal 4. There is no digit here. There is no digit here, so we will write 4. The answer is 449.175. Now we will solve this example in vertical way. Okay, the first one, 23.4 plus 7.8. In vertical way, we will write the problem in this way. Okay, this is vertical way. 23.4 plus 7.8. Please check the decimal part. In decimal part, only 1 digit, okay? Put each digit in its own place. Tenths part, units, tenths, okay? In adding, we will begin with digit on the right side, with tenths digit. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Write it 2, carry up 1. Please don't forget, write decimal point. 1 plus 3 equal 4 plus 7 equal 11. In whole number, we will write 1 and carry up 1 on the next place, okay? 1 plus 2 equals 3. There is no digit here, we will write 3. The answer is 31.2. Another example, 18.75 plus 4.2. We solve this problem in vertical way. Before write the problem in vertical way, we need to balance the decimal numbers. Please put 0 beside 2 here, okay? Now our problem is 18.78 plus 4.20. Please put each digit in its own place. Hundreds part, tenths part, units, tenths, okay? In addition, we will begin with digit on the right side, with hundreds part, decimal part, okay? hundreds digits in decimal part. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 7 plus 2 equal 9. Please don't forget put decimal point. Now we will adding the whole number. 18 plus 4. 8 plus 4 equal 12. Write 2, carry up 1 on the next place. 1 plus 1 equal 2. There is no digit here, so we will put 2. The answer is 22.95. The third example, 365.8 plus 82.14 plus 1.237. We need to put zeros to balance decimal numbers, okay? We need to put 2 zeros in the first number. In the second number, we need to put 1 0. And then put 3 numbers in vertical way. Don't forget, put each digit in its own place. Okay? Thousands, hundreds, tenses. Okay? This is the decimal part. Decimal point, and then the whole number. Units, tens, and hundreds. Okay? Now we can add 3 numbers together. We will begin the digit on the right side. Begin with decimal part, thousands. Okay? 0. Just a minute. 0 plus 0 plus 7 equals 7. 0 plus 4 plus 3 equals 7. 8 plus 1 equal 9. Plus 2 equal 11. Write 1 and carry up 1. Please don't forget decimal point. Okay? Now we will adding whole number. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 2 equal 8. Plus 1 equal 9. 6 plus 8 equal 14. Write 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3 equal 4. There is no digit here. There is no digit here. We will write 4. Note for you. Writing zeros to the right of the last decimal digit. It doesn't change the value of the decimal number because 2.5 equal 2.50 equal 2.500 and so on. Now we will solve this problem together. 53.245 plus 1.97 plus 213.8 equal. Before add 3 numbers together, we need to balance these numbers by put zeros to balance decimal numbers. We can solve this problem in vertical way, okay? Write the first number 53.245 plus the second number 1.97. We need to put 0 to balance decimal numbers, okay? Plus 1.970 in decimal part. Please write each digit in its own place, okay? The third number 213.8, we need to put 2 zeros to balance decimal numbers, okay? Please put each digit in its own place, like this. In adding, we will begin the digit on the right side. The thousandths part and decimal part. 5 plus 0 plus 0 equal 5. 4 plus 7 plus 0 equal 11. Write 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 9 equal 12. Plus 8 equal 20. Write 0 and carry up 2 on the next place. Please put decimal point. Now we will adding the whole number. 2 plus 3 equal 5, plus 1 equal 6, plus 3 equal 9. 5 plus 0 plus 1 equal 6. There is no digits here, so we will write 2. The answer is 269.15 thousandths. Okay? These are problems for you. Try to solve these problems and then check your answers. Now we will talk about subtraction. Subtracting fractions and decimal numbers. Isam had 7 pounds and half. He gave his brother 2 pounds and quarter. How much money is left with Isam? What Isam had equal 7 pounds and half means 7.5. Okay? 7 pounds and 50 piastres. 7.5 pounds. What his brother has equal 2 pounds and a quarter means 2.25 pounds. 2 pounds and 25 piastres. The remainder equal 7.5 minus 2.25 equal. To subtract two numbers, we must balance decimal numbers. We can put 0 here in decimal part. So 7.50 minus 2.25 equal 5.25 pounds. Note that writing digit 0 to the right digit 5, okay, in the first number to make the decimal digits the same. In decimal part of first number there is 2 digits, okay? In decimal part the second number there is 2 digits. We balance decimal part, okay? Then the subtraction operation was carried as you learned before. Subtract hundreds first. In subtraction, we begin with the digit on the right side. Begin with hundreds, okay? And then tenths. Lastly, we subtract the whole number, okay? Putting 0 to the right of the last decimal digit doesn't change the value of the mixed number. We can subtract in 2 ways, in horizontal way and vertical way. In horizontal way, we can subtract two numbers in horizontal way, like this, okay? The first example for you, 5.7 minus 1.4 equal, please look at decimal part. There is only one digit. The two numbers are balanced. We can start subtracting. And subtraction begin with the digit on the right side with tenses, okay? 7 minus 4 equals 3. Please put decimal point. 5 minus 1 equals 4. The answer is 4.3. The second example, 13 minus 2.65 equal. Please look at decimal part. There is no decimal part here. So we need to put decimal point and zeros. Look at the second number. Decimal part has two digits. So we need to put two zeros. 13.20 minus 2.65 equal, and subtraction begin with the digit on the right side. 0 minus 5, it doesn't go. We will borrow. We can't borrow from 0, so we will borrow from 3. 3 will be 2. Now 0 become 10. We can borrow from 10. 10 will be 9. This 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 equal 5. 9 minus 6 equal 3. Put decimal point. 2 minus 2 equal 0. 1 minus, there is no digit here, so I will put 1. The answer is 10.35. The third example for you, 68.005 minus 24.25. Please look at the decimal part. We need to put 0 to balance the decimal part, okay? 68.005 minus 24.250 equal, we will begin with the digit on the right side with thousands. 5 minus 0 equal 5. 0 minus 5, it doesn't go. We will borrow. We can't borrow from 0, so we will borrow from 7. We will borrow from 8. 8 will be 7. 0 become 10. 0 borrow from 10. 10 will be 9. 10 will be 9. Now this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 equal 5. 9 minus 2 equal 7. Please put decimal point. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 6 minus 2 equal 4. The answer is 43.755. Now we will subtract these examples in the vertical way. The first example, 5.7 minus 1.4. In vertical way, put each digit in its own place, okay? 7 minus 4 equals 3. Put decimal point. 5 minus 1 equals 4. The second example, 13 minus 2.65. We need to put zeros to balance two decimal numbers, like this. 13.20 minus 265. Please put each digit in its own place. The answer is 10.35. Okay. The third example, 68.005 minus 24.25. We can put this example in vertical way. But take care, you must balance two numbers by put 0, okay, here on the right of digit 5. Please, in vertical way, you must put each digit in its own place. Okay, the answer will be 43.755. Now, we will solve this problem together. 512 plus 88.35 minus 67.35 thousandths. Okay? We have two operations, adding and subtracting. First, we will adding two numbers together. Okay? But before adding two numbers, you must put zeros to balance decimal numbers. 512.20 plus 88.35. Please put each digit in its own place. In addition, begin with the digit on the right side. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Put decimal point. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Write 0, carry up 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Plus 8 equals 10. Put 0, carry up 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. There is no digit here, so we will write 6. The answer is 600.35. Now we can subtract like this. Subtract 67.035. But you must put 0 in this number to balance two numbers. Okay? Please don't forget to put 0 in this sum to balance the two numbers. Now you can subtract two numbers. 0 minus 5. It doesn't go. We will borrow. Now we will borrow from 5. 5 will be 4. 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Please put decimal point. 0 minus 7. No, it doesn't go. We will borrow. We can't borrow from 0. We will borrow from 6. 6 will be 5. 0 will be 10. Now, this 0 can borrow from 10. 10 will be 9. This 0 will be 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 5 minus, there is no digit here, so I will write 5. The answer is 533.315. These are problems for you. Try to solve these problems and check your answer. Solve together the missing digit. The first one, 97.48 plus 43 There is 2 missing digits in decimal part. Okay. 8 plus what? I need the number 3. There is no number plus 8 equals 3. So 3 must be 13. Okay. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. Write 3 and carry up 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 4 equal 5. 5 plus what? Equal 9. Excellent. Plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal 9. Put decimal point. 7 plus 3 equal 10. Write 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equal 10. Plus 4 equal 14. Write 4 and carry up 1. There is no digit here, so we will write 1. The second problem, 83.57 minus. There is 2 missing digits in the whole number, okay? 734. This is in decimal part. Firstly, we must balance the decimal part, okay? You must put 0 here. Zero minus 4. It doesn't go. We will borrow. We will borrow from 7. 7 will be 6. 0 will be 10. 10 minus 4 equal 6. Now we have 6. 6 minus 3 equal 3. 5 minus 7. It doesn't go. We will borrow. 3 will be 2. Okay? 5 will be 15. 15 minus 7 equal 8. Put decimal point. Now we have 2 minus space equal 4. Okay? We can't subtract 2 minus number equal 4. So we must borrow. 8 will be 7. 2 will be 12. Okay? Now 12 minus what? Equal 4. Excellent. 8. I will put 8. Now 7 minus what? Equal 2. Excellent. 7 minus 5 equal 2. The third problem. 113.57 missing digit, okay, minus 13 point missing digit 8. Please take care. There is missing digit here and missing digit here. In subtraction, begin with right side. This problem is open answer. I can use 8 minus 8 equals 0. Okay, you can use 9 minus 8 equal 1. Okay. 7 minus what? Equals 7. Excellent. 0. 5 minus what? Equal 1. 5 minus 4 equal 1. Put decimal point. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1 minus, there is no digit here, so we will write 1. The answer is 100.170. The fourth problem, 299.3 missing digits in decimal part, okay? Minus 2 missing digits in whole part, 457. This problem, we have missing digit in the first number and the answer, okay? This is open answer. I can use 8 minus 7 equal 1. You can use 7 minus 7 equal 0. 9 minus 7 equal 2. This is open answer, okay? I can use 8 minus 7 equal 1. What minus 5 equals 3? Excellent. 3 plus 5 equal 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3. This is open answer. I can use 7 minus 4 equals 3. I can use 6 minus 4 equal 2. I can use 5 minus 4 equal 1. I can use 4 minus 4 equal 0. I can use 9 minus 4 equal 5. This digit is open answer, okay? Decimal point. 9 minus what equals 3? Excellent. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 9 minus what equal 4? 9 minus 5 equal 4. 2 minus, there is no digit here, so I will write 2. The answer is 243.331. Now we will start division. Divide whole number by 10, 100, 1000. Third, dividing a whole number by 10, 100, and 1000. Now we will start with drill 1. Complete as the example. 58 divided by 10 equal, we can write division equation in the form of fraction like this. 58 over 10 equal, now we will expand 58. 58 over 10 equal 8 over 10 plus 50 over 10 equal 8 over 10 equal 0.8 plus 50 over 10, we can remove this 0 with this 0. The answer will be 5 divided by 1 equal 5. Equal 5.8. Now you can solve these problems as we done in our example. We will solve together this problem. 389 divided by 10 equal, we can write this division equation in form of fraction. 389 over 10 equal. Now we need to expand this number 389, but take care, we need to expand this number and keep the units with 1 0 because 10 has 0 in units. So we need to expand 389 to keep 0 in units like this, equal 380 over 10 plus 9 over 10 equal 380 over 10. We can remove this 0 with this 0. 38 divided by 1 equal 38 plus 9 over 10 equal 0.9 equal 38 plus 0.9 equal 38.9. Now we will solve drill 2. Find the quotient of the following as the example. 154 divided by 10 equal. Now we need to solve division equation to find the quotient in form of decimal number. Please put decimal point beside 4. Okay? 10 has 1 0. So decimal point will move to the left only one step. The answer will be, the quotient will be 15.4. You can solve these problems as we done in our example. Solve problem C. 250 divided by 10 equal. We can remove zeros together. Remove this 0 with this 0. Now 25 divided by 1 equal 25. Another one, 7,859,432 divided by 10. Please put decimal point beside 2. Okay? 10 has 1 0. So we need to move decimal point to the left only one step. The answer will be 785,943.2. Drill 3. Complete as the example. 289 divided by 100 equal. We can write this division equation in form of fraction. We can write it 289 over 100. Now we need to expand this fraction. 289 over 100 equal. Please take care. 100 has 2 zeros. So we need to expand 289, but take care. The number has 2 zeros also, like this. We can expand 289 to, we can expand 289 200 plus 89. 200 over 100. Take care. We need to make numerator and denominator has 2 zeros in units and tenths, because 100 has 2 zeros, we need to put number has also 2 zeros. So we write 200 over 100 plus 89 over 100. 200 over 100 equal 2. We can remove 2 zeros with 2 zeros. 2 divided by 1 equal 2. Plus 89 over 100 equal 0.89. Now 2 plus 0.89 equal 2.89. Now you can solve these problems as we done in our example. Now we will solve this problem B together. 2857 divided by 100. We can write this equation in form of fraction. 2857 over 100. Now we can expand 2857 as follows. Please take care. 100 has 2 zeros, 0 in units, 0 in tenths. So we need to expand 2857 and keep its units and tenths with zeros, like this. 2800 over 100 plus the remaining number is 57, so we will put 57 over 100 equal 2800 divided by 100. We can remove 2 zeros with 2 zeros. 28 divided by 1 equal 28 plus 57 over 100 equal 0.57. 28 plus 0.57 equal 28.57. Drill 4. Find the quotient in each of the following as the example. 412 divided by 100 equal. We can write the answer in the form of decimal number. Please put decimal point beside 2. Now 100 has 2 zeros, so we will move backward, move to the left 2 steps. 1, 2. So I will put decimal point here. The answer is 4.12. Another example for you. 780 divided by 100 equal. We can remove this 0 with this 0. Now put decimal point beside 8. Now the number is 10. 10 has 1 0. So we will move to the left only 1 step. The answer will be 7.8. Now you can solve problems as we done in our example. Drill 5. Complete as the example. 4,257 divided by 1,000. We can write this division equation in form of fraction. 4,257 over 1,000. Now we need to expand 4,257. But take care. 1,000 has 3 zeros. 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds. So we need to expand 4,257 and keep 3 zeros. 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds. So we will write 4,000 over 1,000 plus the remaining number is 257. 257 over 1,000 equal 4,000 divided by 1,000. We can remove 3 zeros with 3 zeros. 4 divided by 1 equal 4 plus 257 over 1,000. 1,000 equal 0.257. Now 4 plus 0.257 equal 0.257. Now you can solve these problems as we done in our example. Now we will solve problem C together. 2,575,487 divided by 1,000. We can write this division equation in form of fraction. 2,575,487 over 1,000. Now we need to expand this number, but take care. Remember, 1,000 has 3 zeros. 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds. So we need to expand this number and keep 0 in units, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds. So the number is 2,575,000 and keep zeros in units, tens, hundreds over 1,000 plus the remaining number is 487. 487 over 1,000 equal 2,575,000 over 1,000. We can remove 3 zeros with 3 zeros. The answer will be 2,575 plus 487 over 1,000 equal 0.487 equal. Now 2,575 plus 0.487 equal 2,575.487 in decimal part. Drill 6. Find the quotient of each of the following as the example. 7,294 divided by 1,000 equal. We can write the answer, the quotient, in form of decimal number. Please put decimal point beside 4. 1,000 has 3 zeros, so we can move to the left 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So we will put decimal point here. The answer, the quotient will be 7.294. Another example for you, 4,250 divided by 1,000 equal, we can remove this 0 with this 0. Now we have 425 divided by 100. We can put decimal point beside 5. 100 has 2 zeros, so we can move to the left 2 steps. 1, 2. The answer, the quotient will be 4.25. You can solve these problems as we done in our exam. Another example for you, 9,800 divided by 1,000 equal, we can remove 2 zeros with 2 zeros. Now we have 98 divided by 10. We can put decimal point beside 8 and move 1 step. Move to the left 1 step. The quotient will be 9.8. Now we will start exercise on operations on decimals. Mazen has 35 pounds. He bought a ball for 9.75 pounds and a book for 840 piastres. How much money were left? To solve this problem, we need to find what Mazen paid, but take care. The two amounts are in different measuring units. Please take care. Amount of ball is 9.75 pounds, but the amount of book is 840 piastres. We can't adding two numbers with different measuring of units, so we need to convert. We know 1 pound equal 100 piastres. If you need to convert from pound to piastres, we can multiply by 100. But take care, when we need to convert from piastres to pound, we can divide it by 100. We can convert 840 piastres to be in pounds. 840 divided by 100 equal 8.4 pounds. Now we can find what Mazen paid. 9.75 plus 8.4 equal 18.15 pounds. Now we can find the remainder. How much money were left? Equal 35, the total amount with Mazen, minus what he paid, 18.15 equal 16.85 pounds. Another story problem. Hannah has 200 pounds. She wants to buy a shoe for 99.8 pounds. a bag for 45.75 pounds and a dress for 70.25 pounds. Can she buy all what she wants? Why? Now we need to find the total amount. What will Hannah pay if she wants to buy these items? But take care. Please look at the amounts. We will observe all amounts in pounds so we can find what she will pay. Hannah will pay 99.8 plus 45.75 plus 70.25. The total amount will be 215.80 pounds. But take care. Hannah can't buy all what she wants because she has 200 pounds. This amount is less than 215.80 pounds. She can't buy all what she wants. Another story problem. A man bought 3 meters of clothes to make 2 shirts. One shirt for him and another for his son. If you know that 1 meter and 3/4 of a meter of clothes are needed for the man's shirt, and 1.5 a meter for the son's shirt. Answer the following. The first one. What the man bought enough to make the 2 shirts, or will he need another piece of clothes? The second one. If he will need another piece of clothes, how much clothes will he need to buy? Man need 1 meter and 3/4. His son need 1.5 meters. Now, man and his son need 1.75 plus 1.5 equal. We can convert mixed number to improper fractions. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7, 7/4 plus 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3/2. Now we need to make common denominator. Common denominator will be 4. So 3/2 equal 6/4. Now we can adding 2 improper fractions. 7 plus 6 equal 13/4. We can simplify this fraction. We can convert it to mixed number. 13/4. 13 is not divisible by 4, so we can use 12/4. 12 is divisible by 4. 13/4 equal 12/4 plus 1/4 equal 12 over 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Plus quarter equal 3¼ meter. The first one. What the man boy is not enough to make 2 shirts. 3¼ meter is greater than 3 meter. He can't make 2 shirts. So the man needs more pieces of clothes. To know what the man need more, we will do as follows. 3¼ minus 3 equal quarter meter. Please don't forget these relations. 1 pound equal 100 piastres. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. 540 piastres equal space pounds. We know 1 pound equal 100 piastres. Now we need to convert from piastres to pounds. To convert from piastres to pound, we can divide it by 100. 540 divided by 100 equal, we can remove this 0. 54 divided by 10. The answer will be 5.4. 1624 grams equal space kilogram. We know 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Now we need to convert from gram to kilogram. To convert from gram to kilogram, we can divide it by 1000. 1624 divided by 1000 equal 1.624. 2458 meter equal space kilometer. We know 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. We need to convert from meter to kilometer. To convert from meter to kilometer, we can divide it by 1000. 2458 divided by 1000 equal 2.458. 620 centimeter equal space meter. We know 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. We need to convert from centimeter to meter. To convert from centimeter to meter, we can divide it by 100. 620 divided by 100 equal, we can remove 0. 62 divided by 10 equal 6.2. Now we have some problems. Try to find the result. Okay? When you finish, please check your answer with Answers Guide.